Yo, what is up, guys? G Plays Lit here once again. So, guys, today I'm really excited because finally my new package has arrived. So, this is it. So, I don't know what's this, but I ordered my cousin just ordered something for me. But I don't know what's inside of it, so it's gonna be secret. So I hope it's something will relate to my gaming stuffs. I think so. So I just bought it from the posting just today. I think today afternoon. Yeah, I think so. So we're gonna unbox this today. So let's see, guys. I'm so nervous right now, and I'm so excited what's going inside here. So let's see. Here we go, guys. Let's do this. I'm really excited right now. My gosh. I can't. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, I found it. Come on, guys. Oh, shit. Oh. Come on. Yes, I hope we opened it. There's something inside of it. Guys. Oh my gosh. I'm really freaked out right now. Sure. Let's see this. Yes. Oh my gosh, guys! Holy shit! Oh my gosh, guys! Oh, I just bought a new gaming mouse. Oh my god, this is so awesome! This is awesome! Oh my god! Oh my god! My dream is here. Well, it's Japan made. No, it's a China made brand. So I don't know what's the name of it. It's in Chinese. So guys, oh my god, guys, I'm really freaked out right now. Thanks to my cousin. Yo, you're the best, man. You're the really best. But he's my friend. I'm just telling that he's my cousin. So guys, oh my god. Let's see this, guys. Oh my god. So, let's take this off, guys. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, wow. Look at this, guys. Oh my god, guys. Look at this. Look at the bottom. There's no sound. There's no nothing. Oh my god, guys. This is so amazing. Oh my god. Wow. My dream's here. Oh my gosh. Wow. Finally, dude. So I'm gonna test this out and try to put it in my computer. So let's check it out. So guys, this is my old mouse. It's a gaming mouse, but it sucks. It looks like a baby mouse, but it's not going to be anymore. So I'm just. Yo guys! Oh my god, guys! Look at this! It's changing into colors. Wow, this is amazing, guys. Thank you so much, dude. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this thing. I'm really, oh my god. Let's see in the dark. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It's like a transformer face. Yeah, kind of a. Guys, look at it. Can you hear the sound? Can you hear the clicking sound? There's nothing. It just moved. Oh my god. Guys, you have to smash that like button for this freaking mouse. That's all I'm going to say right now. So guys, this is the cool, this is the amazing, today is my amazing day, guys. Oh my god. So it's from the, come on, it's from the Fashion Cool Gaming Game Office. So there are more. So as you can see here, there's one white. So guys, oh my god, really freaked out right now, guys. And they gave me a gift. Look at this. Look at this. It's a mobile mouse clicker. This is so awesome, guys. Look at it. We can use that mouse for mobiles too. Look at it. It's not for iOS, but it's for Android. Thank God I have an Android phone. So this is, guys, this is it. So this is it, guys. Smash the like button and hit the subscribe button as well. So if we hit 10 likes, I'm gonna upload another FNAF Ultimate video, guys. This is gonna be insane. I'm gonna download FNAF Ultimate and we're gonna play that with the new mouse. So